All right, all the more reason over the next several days to pay close attention to the forecast because timing sounds like it's very key here.
Timing shifted a little bit, and the heaviest area of rain has shifted west too.
For who's going to get this.
Right.
Okay.
So that means some people have an improving weekend forecast. I think all of us, it's improved slightly.
Okay.
Still going to be chilly, but it doesn't look like a complete washout on
Yeah.
Saturday. So that part is good. Right now, it's certainly good out there. Here's a live look out over Portland. We're at 80 degrees right now. We did make it into the mid 80s a little earlier. We now have some clouds that have moved in. But the nice thing about today is that the dew points are pretty low. So there isn't much moisture in the air. It's a pretty comfortable warm day. In Bangor, a lot of clouds here right now, but no rain in the Bangor area. 79, a busy breeze though, gusting up to 23 miles per hour. There are some showers here in down East Maine, right along Route 1 here, going from Gouldsboro up to Machias, and then just to the south of Danforth and Topsfield too. A little downpour about to cross into New Brunswick. Otherwise, the rest of us are dry. A few little showers up around the Allagash right now. Warmest weather in southern coastal Maine. We have that land breeze bringing the warmth right to Wiscasset at 83 and Portsmouth at 85, and those dew points are respectable just about everywhere. So nice and comfy out there now. Cooler air to the north works in tonight, and there are some showers up here in Quebec. Those will come down later tonight. So after midnight, we have a higher chance of a few showers developing. Real nice evening out there. And in southern Maine, it doesn't cool off dramatically fast, but it will be cooler certainly by morning. Lows in the lower half of the 50s with lots of clouds and a chance for a shower in the morning. It's more likely toward the middle of the day. We might bubble up a few small showers and downpours favoring southern and central Maine. Eastern and northern Maine just plan on a lot of clouds and a cool feel to the day out there tomorrow. Any of these showers should start to taper around this time tomorrow. So the evening looks mostly cloudy but dry. Will be a brisk one, though. Only in the 40s up north, 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, while we're close to 60 in southern Maine. The weather tomorrow night will be fairly quiet. And Friday morning, we may even start with a little bit of sunshine. We'll take you through noontime here. And we're largely dry, but here comes the area of rain that's going to start moving in later in the day on Friday. Notice it's not a huge area of rain. Spatially, it's probably smaller than the state of Maine, and most of it is headed toward the western half of the state and New Hampshire. That's where we're going to get the heaviest rain Friday evening, Friday night into Saturday morning. It does look like this system will zoom along, though, so by the afternoon, even along the coastline, we may dry out and see a break of sun before it goes down. Overall, though, it's a cool and damp day on Saturday in southern and western Maine. Sunday starts dry, then we could see a pop-up shower or rumble of thunder in the afternoon, but again, not a washout on Sunday either. This is just an example from one of our computer models. You can clearly see where the heaviest rain is targeting New Hampshire and perhaps parts of southern and western Maine. The areas that get under the heaviest could pick up more than 2 inches of rain. But once you get east of about Augusta, amounts may taper considerably, and you're not looking at much rain on Saturday. Just a lot of clouds and a cool feeling day. So we'll continue to watch the trends with that, but it's sped up a little bit and shifted west some as of today. Seas tomorrow around 2 to 3 feet with a north wind 5 to 10 knots. So there's your weekend. Again, I think that Friday morning is largely dry. If you've got afternoon, evening plans in southern and western Maine, it turns wet. And then Saturday later in the day, even southern Maine should turn drier. Just a pop-up shower on Sunday, and then early next week still looks a little unsettled and cool. Could be a few showers Monday, and you can make the argument there may be a few Tuesday, but it's one of those forecasts where I didn't want a raindrop on every single day of the 7 day. It might be depressed enough by the weekend temps, but it looks unsettled through at least about the middle of next week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.